What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up auto-playing PowerPoint presentation. This feature is especially useful for trade shows, kiosks, or any setting where you want your presentation to run unattended. You will learn how to configure your slideshow that it advances automatically, providing a seamless viewing experience for your audience. So first, locate and open your PowerPoint presentation. After you open your PowerPoint presentation, navigate to the Slideshow tab in the top menu. After you locate the Slideshow tab, click it. Now click on Setup Slideshow. This will open a new configuration window. There are 3 types of show types that you can use presented by a speaker and full screen. This option allows viewers to control slide advancement. Choose this if you will be present to manage the presentation. Browse by an individual in the window. This option presents your slides in a window. Viewers won't have control over advancing the slides, making it suitable for situations where you want to guide the experience. Browse at a kiosk and full screen. This choice loops the presentation until someone presses the escape key. It's ideal for unattended display at trade shows or exhibits. After you set up your slideshow, click OK. Now go to the Transitions tab located at the top of the screen. While we are in the Transition tab, locate the Timing group, which is located at the top right of the screen. Now check After and set the time in seconds for how long you want each slide to display before advancing to the next. You can set it up individually, or you can apply it to all slideshows by clicking Apply to All. You have now set up an auto-playing PowerPoint presentation. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured as desired. This functionality is excellent for creating engaging displays at events or for sharing presentations without requiring audience interaction. Consider testing your presentation in the environment where it will be displayed to ensure optimal performance.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.